Hi, my name is Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders Warehouse. Well, we're transforming this teenager's room, and she has got a desk that's been handed down through the years to the family, but instead of throwing it away, why don't we just repurpose it? So in order to make this look a bit better, and as part of the transformation of this room, we're gonna look at it and try to change things up a bit. First part in trying to declutter this desk is get rid of the top half of this desk. It's just overbearing for the room, and especially for the size of this room as well. Second part is get rid of the L corner of this desk, and then we're going to give it a good sanding down, good lick of paint, and then it'll look brand new, fit enough for this teenager's room. Why get rid of it? Repurpose it. I'll take you through every step of the way in order to get this done. We're going to be doing a desk refurb. Now we're going to cut this desk down to size, literally, because it just seems a bit too big and bulky for the space we need to use it in. So in order to do this, I'm just going to be using certain tools. The tools that I do require for this job is obviously our paints. So I've chosen this Fired Earth cabinet and furniture paint. It's a 3-in-1. It's got an undercoat, it's got a top coat, it's got everything else in between. So that's all you need. The only thing you had to choose really was the color. So I've chosen a mocha chocker for this. 1 liter is more than enough for a desk like this. You can also need a roller and paint tray. I've chosen a foam roller for this. It should work out just fine. You also need some wood filler, a spatula or a scraper. You also need pliers, a screwdriver. You might need some tape as well, a hammer. Obviously, you're going to have to sand this down. So you're going to be using a sander, orbital sander, and a screwdriver. And for safety, don't forget your gloves. So that's all you really need to do is now take this L part off. And now we're going to take this top part off and get everything sorted, paint it up, and it's going to look brand new. So be careful when you remove some of your bits and pieces. I can see several opportunities to use this at a later stage. Don't throw away, repurpose. Well, the desk turned out beautiful. It is mocha chocker and it really fits the rest of the room. It looks beautiful. It took 2 coats, but I tell you what, it looks miles apart from what the desk looked like before. Well, for more projects like this and more from Builders, go to our YouTube page or visit our website. It is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.